Hello friends. Today we are going to start the complete Fiverr series, where we see what Fiverr is and how his work. I am Selena from the Educational Alliance. So let's get started journey with Fiverr. Open any browser that you want. And click here and write Fiverr. You will be landing at this page. Just scroll down and click on this link. It will take to you this page. This is a Fiverr main dashboard where we are doing everything step by step. Now click on this button Become a Seller. As you see now we are at the seller dashboard where basic information is at here. Scroll down this page. This is a Fiverr community, means to say a lot of sellers and buyers sharing their experiences with Fiverr. You may read their articles and get information as much as you can. All these articles gives motivation when you are new at Fiverr. This is the tab where you get the suggestion that how Fiverr is working. You need to create your gig according to your expertise. Then deliver word is great, and you will get paid. When you scroll down more, here you see buyers are sharing their best experiences on Fiverr. You should go through these stories and get a sense of Fiverr. This section is all about questions and answers that you have in your mind. So let's read one by one and get the answer to each. As you see in first, what I can sell. It means you can offer your services as per your experience. Suppose you are a great content writer, then you can offer services for the writing of articles. You will create a gig about your services and then publish it here. Be aware of the policy of Fiverr. All the content that you are using for your gig should be created by yourself. Don't try to copy others' content, otherwise your account will be suspended. Next, how much I can make. It depends on you. You can earn as much as you want. Few sellers are working on Fiverr part-time, while others are doing a full-time job. Now it's up to you. Next, how much it's cost. To join Fiverr, there are no subscription charges. Fiverr will charge 20% of the commission on your every order service. If you get an order of $100, then you will get paid $80. Your payment will be secured. Next, how much time do you need to invest? It's flexible. I suggest initially you need to work hard on your profile, and on every gig which you publish, do proper SEO of gig one by one and use friendly keywords. After doing that, your gig will be ranked on Fiverr. It will get more impressions and clicks and you will get orders shortly. Next, how do I price my services? You can set the price of your gig as per the competition. You need to check related gigs first. Then you have to finalize your price while publishing your gig. I suggest you as beginners, your price should be less as much as possible. The price range is from $5 to $995. Next, how do you pay? Once you have delivered your order and the buyer marked your order as completed, the amount will be credited to your account. After 15 days you can withdraw your amount from your bank account via Payoneer, PayPal, and many more. Now it's time to get started. Just click on the button Get Started. A new dialog box has appeared, where you have multiple options to sign up for your account. You can sign up with your Facebook account, or with your Google account, or Apple, and with your email address as well. We will never recommend you with Facebook sign up, because if your Facebook account is hacked, then you will not able to log into your Fiverr account as well. We strongly recommend that. Always use your email address for creating an account. So just click here and enter your email address. And click Continue. Now create a username for your Fiverr account. Always try to create a username with your name or own expertise. I'm going to create a username with the name and skills as John Designer. Fiverr will suggest you if any username has already been taken. Next, you need to create a password for your Fiverr account. We recommend always using a capital letter with a small letter, along with digits and special characters to make the password strong as possible. Then click here to join. As you see, your account on Fiverr has been created successfully. Now you need to activate your account. One verification link has been sent to your email here. Just click on it. Open new email and click on recent email that you received. In this email you see link, so just click on it. Now your Fiverr account has been activated. This is your seller dashboard of Fiverr. Now click on profile icon where you see profile tab. Click on your profile. As you see, your profile has been opened. On this side you can set your profile picture and tagline or slogan for your services. At other side you see there are no any active gig. We will create gigs shortly. That's it guys. As you see how Fiverr works and how it's easy and simple to create and activate a new Fiverr account. Thanks for watching this video.